Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today we have Red Carpet Premiere, which is main concept. And this is Miss Olivia. And I have her in the color SR4 CreamyBlonde. And she's a lace front. It says that she is heat safe. They never tell you. You can't find main concept saying any degrees. It just says heat safe. Crescent shape, off center part. So I have her in the color that's right here. I scooped her up actually from Poshmark. So I will put down below where you can buy her and how much. This is her. She's still in her netting and everything. This is definitely a little bit harder lace. I can see that already, but this is what she looks like. Definitely number 4 root, really pretty, nice parting space. She's got 2 combs in the front right next to the parting space, comb in the back, adjustable straps. There might be a light yuckiness, but it's a little bit more silky. So let's get her on. Shasha! Ooh, I like the color. There's baby hairs. She's an off-center part, but she like leans towards the right, I guess. All right, let me get this chick together and then we'll see what we're working with. Take very long at all. I'm really loving this wig. It is a light yaki texture. It's a it's a yaki texture now that I have my hands through it. The cap, I would say, is just a medium cap. I actually had to undo this one strap on this side, and I don't usually have to do that, so I would say this is probably not big head friendly. It might even be a smaller cap, I would say. I would put this in the smaller cap. Or for those who need a smaller cap, I think this would work for them. And I am obsessed with this color. Obsessed with this color. I love the number 4 root. I did set her down a little bit because I did feel like it was a little bit humpy. And I also feel like with this parting, I wanted to set it down right in the front. That's my preference. I actually feel like I could set it down a little bit more. And I could get rid of a little bit of more of the humpiness. But for today and going to work and testing it, I'm not getting a lot of shedding. The only shedding I got was from, because I just cut the lace, but I'm not getting any additional. I love the length. She's about 20 inches. She goes to my boobage. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Movement. I feel like sometimes you have to be careful with humpiness, because if it's like too full down here and then you set all of this down, then it looks like so yeah, I really like her. She's probably going to tangle a little bit. Tangles come out really easily with this texture. The color reminds me a lot of Sensational's Brianna that I reviewed, and I really love that color. That's a little bit more icy in the blonde. This is definitely ashy. The creamy blonde is an ashy. So that's what I have for you. Nice and sweet, nice and cute, nice and easy. I already love this wig. I'm gonna wear her out probably tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. If you have a video that you want me to film on a particular main concept wig or any other, let me know that too. If you think that this lipstick color works for me, you can put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, which I already said. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.